Hey Cheryl, I'm just gonna give you an example here. Just edited a little bit. My code on my Notepad plus plus here, and then I saved it, and then after it's saved, when you open your GitHub desktop right here, it will show you like it's updated the code. You can see like there's a red line right there, which is trying to say like you update or make a change on your code. So what you have to do, you have to commit like commit a save to your file folder, because since you already saved it on Notepad, but you still have to commit it update it on your GitHub folder. The thing you have to do is you have to write as something over here. So the summary here, I would just say it's just put something like edit, and then commit to master. And when you have done that, you'll see like it's like all the codes are gone there. It means you already committed to master. And when you're done, you'll see like this push origin right here on the top. And then that means you will have to when you do this, it will update it the source, like the master folder in your website. So it means it's updated your website actually. So when you do this, and when you go to your GitHub website, that means your username and your folder, it will be updated. I think that's it.